Tutorial we'll learn how to start coroutine. Now let's see how to cancel the coroutine from UGI button, that is unit is new UI button. So we will also learn in this tutorial how to get UI events in Unirex. So currently we have two coroutines which we created last time, first coroutine and second coroutine, and it starts from coroutine, first coroutine, and then after first coroutine gets finished the second gets called. Alright, so when first coroutine gets called, the first debug.log message, and after that 2 seconds pause, and then it continues to call rest of the stuff. So as expected, first again, and rest of the stuff. So now our requirement is to cancel the event from button. Make sure you have these two namespace, system and unity engine.ui. Let's create button, that is let's get reference to our button, not create. Okay, so what our requirement is to cancel the coroutine. For that we need idisposable variable. Let's make this variable global so we can access it anywhere. Now whenever my button gets clicked, that is for Unirex we will use on click as observable, that so Unirex will know that whenever button gets clicked we need to call our subscribe. So what we need in this subscribe, that is cancel the coroutine dot dispose. Now we also want to debug the message that I cancel this. So how can we do that here? You see, whenever we add multi-line in subscribe, it throws error. I cancelled that coroutine. You see, it's showing us error. Whenever we go to this, it will also give us error. So to add a multi-line in subscribe, we need to have curly braces. So make sure you add those curly braces whenever you want multi-line code or logic. After that, let's run this. We will create one button which will reference to my button. What my button does is whenever it gets clicks, the cancel will be called on coroutine. So first see how this is working without cancellation first, then first again and second. Now if we click button, you see I cancelled that coroutine occurred and nothing is happening now because we cancelled that coroutine. There is also another way to subscribe to this buttons on click, that is my button dot on click as observable. So it will convert itself to observable and we want to subscribe now to it. So debug dot log I cancel coroutine dot dispose. So it is same as this but just different way. In Unirex there are multiple ways we can achieve the same result, like we seen in first couple of tutorials where we double tap detected in 3 different ways here. Okay, so what's happening here is okay, I need to add semicolon. Let's run. Okay, I cancel get called. So that's it. Two ways to cancel or access the on click button. This is same as this.